Oh, wow.
Hello, you guys. This is Maurice from Oscellaris Lawn Care. Just wanted to go ahead and greet you guys on a very important topic that I think has been somewhat misled on how many business cards should you have in your business as far as lawn business and business in general. So, with that being said, stay tuned. Now, hey guys, back to our topic. Say initially, let me set the fire. Let me set the fuel to the fire. Initially, you got to have business contact and what have you, and you're like, hey man, you know what? I want to go ahead and apply the knowledge to real estate companies, brokers. Now you may make a mistake and give it to a broker. You may give it to a real estate agent, which a job of a real estate agent means that basically, they only list houses. So that's a bummer there because they can only refer your card to any incoming customer. And that's only if it comes to mind. So let me go ahead and switch hands. And so, with that being said, what if you want to hand like three of them out to her, 500, five of them out to the broker, and they asked you to give them to some of their investors. Now you're down like almost like a quarter of, that 500, which is a good idea. But what if they never call? What if it takes them a 6-month grace period to call? Now you're stuck. 500 more business cards. And then you go and apply the science again. Now you go to the grocery stores, you lay your business card down, the laundry mats, you know, basically subdivision areas, apartment complex, condo owners. Most of the real estate companies are around here, like they condo owners and stuff like that. Some of them are in my index. So yeah, kudos to them. I mean, to somebody that's in business and seasoned in business, 500 don't sound too good to somebody that's starting out, but to somebody that's seasoned, it's just the right number. So, with that being said, that 500 business model actually comes to play. Now, depleting by the thousands. So, that grand number of 1,000, and we all know, once you get 1,000 business cards, if you're seasoned in business, right, you're gonna already know that you're coming up with, the print companies are gonna give you like, if you go to a print company, local one, for 1,000, they can only give you what, 2,000. So you actually paying double. So now you're down to your other thousand. Now you're down to your other 1,000. You go to your grocery stores, you go to your convenience stores, you rack up, right? You just turn it into this advertising genius, of a person. And guess what? That's good as well. Let me stop you there. What if them people don't call for like 3 more months? Now you got a problem. You ran out of more business cards, so now you got to go ahead and get some more business cards. Now you see that model where I'm coming from, where you see that number that keeps building up. I mean, you see how much of investment that you got to invest in. 50 yard signs. Let's say 50 yard signs. And we all know, you can get some traction from 50 yard signs. Why not 100 yard signs? Now you got a lot of traction. You see where I'm going with that right now. This is the number of what you do in business also applies on how serious that you are. You get indexed quicker in business and also social media by counteracting and investing a little bit more into your advertisement dollar. I know some of you guys, you don't have it, whatever, whatnot, but you got little things, little breaker brackers. I often look at that, what it is, Vaynerchuk, Gary Vaynerchuk. Go ahead, look him up. Good guy. Teaches you about, the savvy of marketing, business, and 2019, 2018, and 2017. Good guy. Good guy. You can learn off of. You can learn some off of his scale. I give you that much. Every successful person won't tell you the number of business cards or the number of advertisements that you would really need to become successful and business, line business, and also in business in general. So this is what I have for you. The number 5. 5. What the number 5 stands for in your business? It's 5. If it's 5 times 100 in your business. So if you put that together, 5 times 100 is 500. Now, if you add 5 times 1,000, you get 5,000. So if you get 5,000 business cards, what's the role model of you actually making it in business? It goes up. It goes up because now you can reach those people that you want, and you're more relaxed, and you like to talk, and you can go ahead and sell your business a little bit more better than that. You don't have to wait for the next shipment because you got 5,000 business cards, right? 5,000 business cards can get you a lot of references, a lot of business groups, all right? A lot of recognition, a lot of attraction, and then basically they're on and they're forth. So what I'm trying to say to you is invest a little bit in your business, and it'll grow. Uncles of growth, and financial growth will kind of skyrocket because basically you got the customers. Now you got the customers. Now you got those business partners. Now you got the realtors and in town. And now you got the grocery stores covered. You got anybody that you want to meet, you got them covered. You can give them 3 cards, 4 cards, 5 cards, and et cetera, and et cetera. And however long it takes for them to distribute those cards out, you have a lot of chances with 5,000 business cards. But you don't have with 500. 500 meaning basically if you deduct that 500 in business, basically it's only a 3% comeback from everything that you invest. Is going to be 3%. So you be lucky. Oh, sorry, somebody called me. You'll be lucky to get probably about 1 or 2 people with those 500 business cards. Just being real with you, 500 business cards, you'd be lucky to get them. You'd be lucky. I mean, on a pound of luck to get them, to get those. And actually, you can get a line customer. Would you get a line client? The numbers kind of depreciate once you look for line customers. Yeah, you get 500 business cards, you can get a lot of line customers. You want line clients? You better get them 5,000 business cards, and they better be good. Information on them, estimates on them, information on them to attract those that want to know about your business. All right, that's all I got to say to y'all before I flip this camera around and I show you the 5,000 business cards that I got. I got myself. Now at best, ladies and gentlemen, unique and line freaks alike, guess what? These are my 5,000 business cards. Not 500, but 5,000 business cards. 5,000 business opportunities. 5,000 business cards. This is my first year in business. This is my first year in business now. So I'm going to put my bets into the business cards. Also other advertisement. But you don't want to worry about when you spend on this. You don't want to worry about when you go and spend on your yard signs and stuff like that. Now, I'll let y'all guys know, like if you're in the St. Petersburg area, I just want to go ahead and give a shout out to Graphic Masters that make this all possible. Made all of this video possible so that you can envision, which they give you a good price on 5,000 business cards. Very user-friendly company. And they gave me a logo, Gotta have a logo on your, gotta have your logo. As far as that being said, gotta have it. I mean, it's no problem to not have it, but you gotta have your logo right there. Well, another thing I want to add to this right here is 5,000 business opportunities that you didn't have. Right. You'll discover, your mistakes along the way, and the velocity of things that they come. Now you got 5,000 opportunities. So, just want to give a shout out to, I think they're located in the, I say St. Pete all the time, but they're located in Clearwater, Florida. Graphics Masters, and they're the ones that made this one. Not possible. You can also get these online. You just got to do your research online. And there's all my business cards, everything that I do. Just a little spiel of what I do, not the whole business. So, if you're a customer viewing this, I'm finna go ahead and distribute this out to Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and various venues that I have as well. So, if y'all happen to catch this video and you're wanting, services from us, let me know. All right, there. I will talk to y'all later. Bye.